Up for auction is a Formax folder inserter FD6404, which is the same as a DS-85. This is 2 pieces, ships on a pallet. You get the vertical stacker, envelopes feed down here. And this has 1, 2, 3, 5 tray positions. You get the high cap tray, which most of these don't have. Just allows you to put a lot more paper in. It gets the Versa feeder, or the Maxi feeder, the Maxi feeder, which is for your BREs, BRMs, your pre-folded trifolds, or your buck slips, or anything smaller. And then you got 2 more regular, 200 sheet trays, which you can put in any of these 3 positions. All the feed tires seemed to work okay. Everything was super clean. Just gave it a tune up and cleaned it up. The meter's at just under 950,000. It was serviced by the last owner 100,000 pieces ago. Been running a couple jobs in the shop for the last 2 weeks. No issues. Going to bring you back and show you that it's running, folding. Everything's running the way it should. And your fold rollers are in good shape. And all your drive rollers are in good shape. I got fluid in here. We're going to seal. And we're going to show you that this thing's ready to roll. All right. There's your meter. There's your serial number. Or actually, that's your model. Where's the serial number on this one? There's, oh no, it's in here. There's your serial number. So it's a 2018 serial number. It was probably put into service sometime around 2020. Fluid's in there. Brushes are good. Felt's good. We'll dry this out. You always use the blue sealing fluid so that you don't get mold or a smell. All right. I'll bring you back with the job. We got a 3-pager and a 2-pager into a number 10 window. I'll run them for you to show you everything's running how it should. All right. So the job I was going to run, the 2-pager, it's set up for my other inserter, and the address, I can't offset fold it enough on this machine, whereas my Pitney Bowes I can, because I can invert the whole stack. So I'm just going to show you 2 pages blank into a number 10 window. I'm going to run like 50 of them just so you can see. I think I have the sealer off on these. Now I'm sealing. These are sealing. So I was pulling 2 sheets from up here, collates them down here, folds them here, inserts them here. Run out the stack. And it's gonna tell me it's out of paper in tray 1, which it is. And again, you get the big thick stacker up here, which is good for your regular sheets. So you do your letters up here, you do your remit envelopes down here, and it just works together. If you pull 2 sheets from 2 separate trays, so they're not already pre-collated like my sets were, it'll run faster. So when it pulls from two separate trays, they're like literally right behind each other on the way down. All right, let's clear these out. Let me show you that these are all good. Everyone inserted and sealed. I don't remember if I turned on. Oh, I turned off the sealer. 2 sheets, collated and folded. This is 24-pound or 60-pound offset, just scrap paper, into a number 10 window. These are side seam envelopes. This does work better with side seam, in my opinion, but you can run your regular envelopes too. All right, let me dump these. All right, I'm gonna load up a real job now. Envelopes over there already addressed. It gets a dental flyer, 1 sheet, tri-fold, and in. I'll bring you right back. All right, brought you back. All right, so I loaded up the number 10 regulars. These are the ones with the regular, your more traditional flap. They're not side seam. Regular number 10s. Tri-fold, single sheet, laser printed or digital printed. Tri-fold into the envelope. I had to drop the fingers a little bit. Look, I had to throw on this envelope. I can see it on the left one sheet. This is sealing. So you can keep loading and unloading as this thing runs. I wish there was more to show you, but this is what it does. It works. Stop at 300. All right, you have 320 on this job. All right, live action. 300 pieces done on a 700-800 piece job. I'd run the whole thing out, but it gets boring and I got other stuff to do. So you get both parts of the inserter, obviously, left side, right side, power cord. This stacker comes off. We box it separately on the pallet. All the trays get boxed and bubble wrapped. This is metal. These are plastic. These tend to break, so we bubble wrap them very well. This, all it does is hook on and plug in, just like the stacker. I don't know if you can see it. And there's a connector from the main body to this. This is very easy to set up. The biggest thing is making sure it's level. You don't want it to be on 2 tables where it's unlevel. Be glad to help you get it going and set up. Do some FaceTime tech support if you have any trouble or questions. Again, super simple, ready to run. Questions, comments, reach out. If you want a shipping quote, don't wait till the last day. Good luck. Happy bidding.